Hey, I am back again. I'm going to show you how to install a Infinity subwoofer in the back of a Chevy Volt. This is a 2013 Chevy Volt, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So you gotta take off this back cover first. And there are 4 bolts down here that I'm going to remove, or I guess they're 4 nuts. So yeah, I'm going to remove those, and then this back cover will come off and you'll be able to see where the subwoofer is. Alright, so there is Infinity subwoofer. And it fits in there pretty darn well. I've got this styrofoam kind of wedge in here to just kind of keep it in place, and then it's mounted just on this little platform that I built, and actually a little 2x4 is underneath it, so just to kind of level it out. You don't have much space here to get your wires hooked up, so I hooked those up first and then I set it down in there. Yeah, it fits in there really well. It doesn't rub, doesn't move around, and it actually sounds pretty darn well. I have the wire running up over here, and I tapped into that pillar right there. You can get into the right rear door speaker from that pillar. So pretty easy. But yeah, so we'll let you guys hear a sound test and see what it sounds like. it definitely fills in the low end that's missing. And the Volt, the door speakers do a pretty good job, but the 8-inch subwoofer in the back certainly helps. So I'm pleased with it. It fits well. I held it down a little bit because it was vibrating. With the mat over the top, it doesn't vibrate as much. So I might figure out a way to help secure it so it doesn't vibrate. But I don't really hear it vibrating when I'm driving, so yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it.